Bye. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news on YouTube. Look. It's going to be drinking, smoking, and swearing on here. If you don't like those things, well, you've been warned because they're coming 3. Look. 2. Look. 1. Bye. Welcome, everyone. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Yes, it is. So we're a little late today. I know, brothers. We had the presidential debates last night, and you know, I'm a Forex trader, and so that came on right usually when I go to sleep, and so I had to watch that. Yeah, it's got some drinking, it's got some smoking. So, yeah. Plus there wasn't fuck all going on in the Forex market anyway, so I just slept in. So look, but here I am. I'm always on duty. Settle down, brother. Settle down. Always on duty. Don't worry. Shomari's not going to leave you behind. Look. So, let's begin, shall we? Story number 1. Well, let's begin. Let's get us situated here. Let's get situated in the goodie room. Look. All right, brothers. Oh, the SEC starts the clock on an ETF proposal. So I forgot about this one. All right, so we'll talk when we get there. I'm not going to ruin the story right now. Now, next one. Grayscale Q3 numbers. Yes. Very nice. Very nice numbers indeed. Look. Here come the institutions. Small ones, though. These are the small guys. I'm not going to bullshit you, but look. They're institutions regardless. And then finally, 2019, could it be the year of a regulatory response? That's what I told you guys, right? At the beginning of this year, I was like, guys, this is going to be the year of regulatory clarity. Apparently, the politicians weren't listening to me. So look, but we're going to get around to that, and then we're going to do shout-outs in the daily summary. Bye. Let's do this how we do this, brothers. Bye. Yes. And then let's head over to the fucking price thing. Bye. Yes. And let's do a refresh. Bye. Yes. Oh, I'm in a frisky mood. Yes. I always feel good when I do this show when I just first wake up. Oh, yeah. You're drinking, you just woke up? Look. I live in South Beach, son. Drink never sleeps. Look. Yes. Look. Top 10 of the day, brothers. Bye. Look. Ollie. Top 10 of the day, brothers. Usual suspects, brothers. Look. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tether, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Binance Coin, EOS, Bitcoin SVN, Stellar. Still holding number 10, Stellar. Look at you. It's been a couple weeks, right? Right? Who was Stellar battling for a minute there? Tron. Oh, and Cardano was in there. Even Monero got there for a second, right? Look at Stellar. Hodling. Hodl. Look. Market moves of the day, brothers. Single digits up to single digits down. Yeah. Oh, my bad. I know. The Bitcoin price thing. All right. Hold on. Man, I'm in a good mood. Look. Bitcoin is at $80.61 right now. $8,061 when I left you yesterday. It was at $8,317. So we're down, a few $100 right there. A few $100. I'm not going to do that math. Look. Embarrass myself when I get the number wrong. Look. Market moves. Single digits up, single digits down, brothers. Sisters. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Well, it's the same for all of you. Single digits up, single digits down. And welcome to the show. Yeah, so all of you fucksticks. Look, single digits up, single digits down. All right. Let's look who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, you go get it because it is on sale. Bye. Oh, shit. There are some sales right. Oh, look at Chainlink U. Stratus. All right. Let's just do this. Look. Top 10 losers of the day, brothers. Rand, Ox, Chainlink, Verge, IOST, Rift Token, Basic Attention, GX Chain, Stratus, and Cosmos. Let's look who made money today. Not much money making. All right. Look. Top 10 winners of the day. Top 10 gainers. Educare, Swipe, Nash Exchange, Aurora, Newton, Energy, Steam, Paxos Standard, USD Coin, and Tether. Let's look at total market cap of the day, brothers. We got, what was that, 218.7? Oh, 218.2. All right. Look. Whoa, 218? Yeesh. Oh, I see. Okay. 218.2 in the total market cap of the day, brothers. Well, I left you guys yesterday was 225.2. So down $7 billion in market cap. Let's look at total volume of the day, brothers. Is that 57.4? It's interesting. All right. So market cap actually went, volume actually went up today. We were at 51.7 yesterday. We're at 57.4 right now. So that's looking like a $6.7 billion rise in market cap, volume. But with a little downturn in the market cap, which means people came here and they took some profits. Profit taking. Little profit taking. Look, let's get to our stories, brothers. Bye. Look. Yes. Oh, yeah. So, SEC restarts the clock on proposed Bitcoin and T-bills ETF. So, So, this is the last one. These guys are the last man, the last man standing. What was it? So, the Bitwise ETF, that got fucked over. The, what was it? Solid X ETF? Yeah, that got denied. So, last man standing, Wilshire's. Wilshire's. And they think they have the secret sauce that will make the SEC have mercy and finally give some sort of approval. We'll see. I'm not going to lie to you. To me, the Bitwise ETF, that was the one. They said we're going to offer you 10 exchanges. But actually, this Wilshire's ETF, it's interesting as well because they're taking their price. The Wilshire's ETF is taking their price from the CME's futures contracts. Right. And there's been no sign of market manipulation over there. Okay, we're going to read, and then I'll get to yapping. You already are yapping. Look. Well, I'm going to get to some more yapping when we get there. Settle down. Yes, we're going to get some yapping tonight. Look. Oh, man, I'm in a good mood. So, SEC restarts clock on proposed Bitcoin and T-bills ETF. Bye. Let's read. What? Oh, look at the price of the Bitcoin over here. See where my mouse is? 7,900. Is that true? Let's go over here and look. Let's take a quick peek. All right. It's different price discoveries. All right, look. Oh, let me get a sip, man. Holy. So we'll see. This is a unique way of doing it. Wilshire's is using a unique way of getting their price discovery. So there may still be room for hope. Let's see. All right. So, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is again soliciting comments on a proposed exchange-traded fund, ETF, based around Bitcoin and Treasury bonds. So theirs isn't just Bitcoins. It's got Treasury bonds in it. All right. I didn't know that before. According to a public filing published Tuesday, investment management firm Wilshire Phoenix and New York Stock Exchange ARCA filed an amendment to their ETF proposal earlier this month to address issuance and redemption for the securities and the listing/trading of the fund's shares. So, Coinbase Custody will act as the custodian for the Bitcoins held by the trust. According to the filing, Tuesday's notice said Coinbase will provide attestations confirming the amount of Bitcoin it holds, within 5 business days of the trust's monthly rebalancing, adding a detail not present in the original filing. So now they onboarded Coinbase to be part of this thing. Not part of it, but just hey, can we custody our stuff with you, Coinbase? You guys know what custody is. If you don't, go to Investopedia, look up custody. And so Coinbase obviously said, yeah, you can custody your stuff with us. And so now they've told the SEC, bang, we're going to custody with Coinbase. All right, now. The amended rule change proposal also notes that CME and Intercontinental Exchange provide Bitcoin futures products in the U.S. rather than CME and CBOE. The latter company wound down its futures products earlier this year. Exactly. CBOE, they discontinued their futures contract. Later on, the filing seemingly addresses the SEC's concerns with potential market manipulation. That's the thing. If you're new here, and you brothers already know who've been here, all the SEC cares about is market manipulation right now. We've done the KYC, know your client stuff. We've done the AML, anti-money laundering stuff. The last piece is market manipulation, which is true. No one wants to get cheated. And so while I want the SEC to approve things, I also don't want people to get cheated. You know, I told you back in the days when I first started trading Forex, guys were getting cheated, and that's a no-no. I don't mind losing a trade fair and square, but you cheat me, that's different. That's a piss off. And so, and that's what that's what the SEC, and if you're new here, and brothers, you guys know who've been here, it's all about market manipulation right now. That's all the SEC cares about. If you can prove to the SEC there will be no market manipulation in your investment vehicle with the price discovery of your investment vehicle, bang, they're going to give it to you. So this is an interesting way that they've done it. So listen to this. The sponsor notes that in connection with the Commission's analysis of whether a market is inherently resistant to manipulation, the Commission has in certain circumstances focused not on the market as a whole, but instead on the significant subset of the market that has a meaningful impact on the particular ETP, exchange traded product, the filing says, adding. And so you understand. All right, if you're new, look, when you're a fund, all right, well, I'm a Bitcoin fund. Yeah, well, the price of my Bitcoin comes from somewhere, right? And so I have to take it from an exchange somewhere or somewhere, anywhere. You're allowed to take it from anywhere. And that's the problem with the SEC, because what the SEC's problem is because if I say, okay, I'm going to take my Bitcoin price off of Binance, yeah, well, Binance is tiny. A billionaire could go in there one day, just manipulate prices to get to his favor, so that so here's Binance, and here's and then here's some sort of futures contract. Well, my futures is about to expire. If I'm a billionaire, I could just and this futures contract gets its Bitcoin price from Binance. Well, if I'm a billionaire, I could just go over to Binance, mess with the price that one day, and then I get cashed out in my futures that day, right? Once my futures contract comes up, right? Once it expires. And so that's what the SEC is scared of, which is true. Although it is frustrating. We're all getting a little aggravated, are we not? So look, the sponsor notes that, all right, so we read all that. And so listen to this. Meaning impact on the particular. All right, we read all that. All right, so look. For instance, so the guy says, for instance, orders approving listing applications of ETPs that invest in gold bullion focused on the spot and futures market, even though gold is traded on a number of different market segments. Focusing on the spot market is appropriate because the spot market is the market to which the particular ETP will look to determine its net asset value. So you see what I'm saying? You're allowed to go find your price discovery wherever you want, right? But the spot market is usually the place, right? But listen to this. Wait a minute. Is this the article? Hold on. So the amendment filed on October 4th replaces and supersedes the original filing in its entirety, Tuesday's notice said. So, understand, right? They amended their application with the SEC. The SEC first off kicked the comment period for Wilshire proposal in June before announcing in late September that it was evaluating the proposal. According to the filing, member of the public get 21 days, blah, 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 and then the SEC gets 45 days. Oh, I wanted to show you guys something. Tuesday's filing follows the SEC's decision to reject the Bitcoin ETF of Bitwise. That's the one I thought was going to get. Hold on, guys. And they rejected it due to, bang, the same thing. Market manipulation. Market manipulation. That's their problem. Market manipulation. Hold on, guys. I have another article because I want to show you guys something. Shit. All right. We'll just stick here. All right. Shit. So there it is. So we still have one more. I'm not getting excited about this. The Bitwise one I was excited about. 10 exchanges for your price discovery I was really excited about. But there was another I wanted to show you something. I want to show you where they're getting their prices from. Hold on. Just let me do this 1 second, guys. Just 1 second. Is it this? Hold on. Let me look. Because it shows you where they're getting their... And what they're doing is they're going to take their pricing from the CME. Shit. All right, fuck it. Anyways, guys, these guys are going to take their pricing. That sucks. They're going to take their pricing from the CME futures price, which hasn't been... There is no market manipulation there yet. Well, at all yet. So it's worthy, right? And so that's what they're saying they're going to get their pricing from. All right, so, but bang, we will see. They have another 45 days to answer. Don't hold your breath. Don't hold your breath. It's the SEC. Don't hold your breath. Jay Clayton, the chairman of the SEC. He's a son of a bitch. Look, bang, now Grayscale. Q3 saw record high inflows. And what? Look. Growing. Institutional interest. That's what we need. That's what we want. That's what needs to occur. So that's real good news. Let's check it out. Look. Digital asset management giant Grayscale registered over $254 million, $250 million, in total investment into its products in the third quarter of 2019. Congratulations. Now, I know that's small. Those, when you hear millions when it comes to markets, that's nothing but when you hear it in terms of a new market that's just being built, that's huge. It's good. It's great. Well, that's not huge. Let me not bullshit you. I want to blow sunshine up your ass, but it's good. It's good. It's better than nothing. That's the best way to say it. So look at its digital asset investment report for Q3 2019. Grayscale provided details on the inflows into its products for the period from July 1st, 2019, bang, through September 30th, 2019. Bang! The third quarter of the year, Q3, marked the highest demand for the company's offering since its establishment. Boom! So it keeps growing is what they're saying, resulting in $254.9 million of inflows. Yeesh. The figure shows a threefold quarter-on-quarter increase from $84.8 million in last quarter. Bang! You see that, brothers? Growing slowly. Yes, this is going to be slow, steady growth, this market. Slow, steady growth. Like I told you the other day, if you're thinking about that 2017, bang, 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 just rapid, maniacal growth, that ain't happening. We're in the real markets now. It's professionalizing. But it's going to be slow and steady. It's going to be steady. It's going to be slow. But it's going to be steady. Bang, gradual. Nice and gradual. And that's how it's going to go down, brothers. Look. Oh, yeah. So look, the quarterly inflows into Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. Oh, man, I'm just chain smoking. The quarterly inflows into Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and that amounted to 171.1 million, where in July was the month the highest level of inflows during Q3. All right, July was the month. As reported in July, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust outperformed indices in the first half of 2019, up almost 300% on the year at the time. Yes. Look, now this is what I like. Institutional investors. Buy. Yes. Institutional investors were the major contributors to the company's product both in Q3 and year to date, with 84 and 83% respectively. So worth noting, total investments into Grayscale products from January 1st, 2019 through September 30th, 2019 amounted to $382.3 million, while the figure over the past 12 months is $412 million. Bye. So previously, Grayscale's Director of Sales and Business Development, Rhiannon Sharifaskari, stated that institutional investors are constantly piling into the space. That's what we want to hear. What did he say? What did you say, Mr. Ashkari? He said institutional investors are constantly piling into the space. Slowly but surely. Sharifaskari, he said, and let's hear what else he said. He said, it's really funny. I get asked this a lot. There's this rhetoric in the media about when are institutional investors going to get involved? When are they going to start investing? And it's so funny because it's ironic. We see institutional investors invest with us all the time. And that's been the case for a long time now. Yes, bye. So he's saying, when are the institutions going to come? I know, and I say the same thing too. When the institutions come, brothers, when the institutions come. He's saying, I see them all the time. It's true. But he's seeing the small ones. And that's the difference. The institutions I'm talking about are mega monsters. That's what I want to see come. But, all right, so that's how that goes. But it's true, the institutions are coming, right? I mean, a prop desk, if I'm a guy with a $10 million hedge fund, all right, I'm still a hedge fund. I'm still making money, But the ones I'm telling you guys about, we're talking about $50, $100 billion more stuff. Is what I'm looking at us to kill. But this is all good. We'll take their money too. Yeah, we'll take all that loot. Look, straight cash, homie. So look, on October 14th, ahead of conquering the market. Now, on October 14th, Grayscale Investments was approved by the United States Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, FINRA, to publicly quote its Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund on over-the-counter markets. This reportedly enables the first publicly quoted security based on an exchange selection of digital currencies in the U.S. We read about that the other day. All right? Wait. Actually, we read about it yesterday. Right. FINRA's approved Grayscale thing. So look, in August, Cointelegraph reported that Grayscale is going to move almost $3 billion worth of its digital asset holdings to America, major crypto wallet provider and exchange Coinbase. Coinbase custody would be then serve as the custodian of the underlying assets for the company's products. All right, bang! Coinbase is going to do the custody. Nice. All right, so look, that's good news. Grayscale keeps seeing inflows. And that means that's more money into our market, more liquidity coming in here. And those numbers are small, hundreds of millions. I know, hundreds of millions, dog. That's huge. When you're looking at a market, that's not huge. That's actually quite small. But look, actually not small. Let me not be rude about it, but that's not what we're looking for. Bang! When I talk to you about the institutions coming, I'm talking to you about $50 billion, $20 billion hedge funds starting to move in here. But what's good about this story is that we're seeing steady inflows. steady inflows. And remember this, as more and more players are making more and more money, well, more and more guys want in. You know what I mean? More and more guys want in. There's a lot of guys who sit back. You know, if I'm a hedge fund, I'm already making billions over here. So I just, I step back and I just look and I take a peek, who's making money over there. And I see if anyone's making money. And if there's money to be made, then I may sniff around and then get right in, So this is great. Institutional interest is growing. Buy. All right, let's go to this one. Boom. 2019 may be the year of regulatory response. May be the year of regulatory response for crypto. So this guy that we're going to read about, he's actually the ex-CFTC chairman. So it's not just some nobody. This guy was the chairman. So let's see what he has to say. Yes. Look. Former Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC Chairman Christopher Giancarlo, who had parted ways with the regulator this summer, has stated that he expects 2019 to be the year when regulators may start considering some response to cryptocurrencies. Absolutely. Like I told you guys, I thought this was going to be the year of regulatory clarity. I thought they were just going to do it on their own. Apparently, no. So it took Facebook's Libra. Thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. Thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. Thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. I say that here all the time. It took Mark Zuckerberg to finally come out with his thing, the Libra, to make these politicians and regulators really get on their ball. Like, really get to doing work. Like, get on it. And that's what the CFTC guy is saying, right? Well, he's not saying it about Libra, but, he's saying this could be the year. So, hold on. I mean, we're almost at the end of the year right now. I don't see regulatory clarity this year. But Q1, Q2 next year, I see heating up big time. We have elections and shit going on here in America starting next year. So, I don't know. We'll see how that all goes. During an election year, Congress doesn't get much done because no one wants to take votes that might screw them up in the election, right? One of the best parts of America is after an election. Americans are always focused on the election. The best part of America is after the election. The elections happen in November, but those guys stay in power until January 20th. So if you lose your election, you're still working until January 20th. The elections happen, November 8th? So from November 9th till January 20th, our politicians still are working. Yeah, but a lot of these politicians are actually voted out of office, right? They have to leave on January 20th. So they don't give a fuck anymore. And they just start voting for shit that they would never voted for if they had to be reelected, right? And so I guess I'm just telling you guys, that's my favorite part of American politics is between when the elections happen and when the new Congress is put in. Yeah, well, those 4 months, was it November, December, January? 3 months. Those 3 months, those politicians who were voted out of office, yeah, they get to vote for anything they want. With their hearts, they get to vote for real. Like, fuck the party, fuck all that. I get to vote what I really think because I lost, right? Anyways, whatever, man. That's the best part of American politics, I think, is the part between when the elections happen and when the new guys come in, because dudes get to act the fool. Yeah, for 3 months they get to vote for anything. They're like, fuck this. You already lost, so fuck it. What are you gonna do now? Look. We'll be watching that. That's next year anyway, man. That's a little down the road, man. We'll be watching that part hard. That's my favorite part. That's my favorite part of American politics. The space between when the votes happen and when they have to leave office. Yeah, well, there's 3 months in between. Now these motherfuckers can just act all crazy. They don't care. They've already been elected or not. Well, the guys who are elected have to behave themselves, but the guys who got voted out, they can vote for anything they want. All right, so that's a little trick about American politics, everybody. Look, not a little trick, but, that's a little secret. That's the juicy spot. Yes, that's the juicy spot between elections and the new sitting of the new Congress. All right. Holy Shomari, fuck, preaching. Look, Giancarlo voiced his opinion during, Forex traders, everybody. If you're in the markets, that's the time you look at. Oh, right? That's the time, because all sorts of crazy shit comes out of America then. All right. Giancarlo's, there's a little secret for you there. Bye! Insider stuff. You're welcome. That's why it's the greatest show in the multiverse. Look, Giancarlo voiced his opinion during an interview with industry news outlet The Block, published on October 9th, stating, I would say 2019 is the year where there's a growing recognition that regulators and policymakers need to do more than just be aware of these, but may actually need to look at some fucking policy responses. He didn't say fucking, that was the Shomari remix right there. Look, Libra spurs regulators to action. Bang, thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. Bang, thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. Bang, thank you, Mark. Bang, Zucker. Bang, Berg. Oh, yes, he got multiple bangs there. He got multiple. Because look, what did it do? Libra spurred the regulators to take action. Bang! Without this motherfucker, I really want to emphasize this. I really want you to get it. Without this motherfucker, Mark Zuckerberg. Holy. These politicians were doing nothing about crypto. They didn't care about crypto. Crypto was the last thing on their agenda. At all. Like, they didn't even consider it. Thanks to Mark Zuckerberg, bang, hearing after hearing after hearing here in America, right? In Congress, in the Senate. Well, right? Regulators are taking action now, thanks to that guy. So, I'll tell you what. I'm telling you, I've said it before. Mark Zuckerberg, you are the king of cryptocurrency. Because without him, man, I don't think we'd have regulation for a long, long time. It was taking a lot longer than I thought. I mean, I've preached it here since the beginning of this channel. I'm not thinking of taking out money until Q4 2020. I don't think Q4 2020 is even going to... Shit, I think that the party's just going to get started then. I thought it would be started, and I thought we'd be rocking and rolling, and we'd have our Noah Fest then. No, we're going to have Noah Fest. Don't worry about that, brothers. We are going to have that one day, but when? That's the bitch. So thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. Thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. Bang! Thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. So, Giancarlo, the ex-head of the CFTC, also believes that regulators will increase their involvement in the crypto space this year because of a combination of Libra and the prospects for central bank digital. Oh, yes. That's right. The central bank digital currency thing. Oh, and I read another one. That's right. Because China says it's coming out, they're like, bang, we're going to come out with a central bank digital coin. That's also making the regulators and the legislators go nuts. So yes. I forgot about that one. I've never really said that to you, but that's the other thing. It's not just the Mark Zuckerberg, but thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. But it's the China thing. Like, they realize, fuck, it's real, and that's why they're really, finally, we're going to get some regulations. All right. Look, he also noted that the United States Securities Exchange Commission, Jay Clayton, is probably thinking about some of the policy responses. Of course he is. That's what he has to do. That's his job. Furthermore, Giancarlo also suggested that the time has come for thoughtful consideration of a digital dollar. According to him, the dollar's hegemony would further be cemented by such a development. Digitizing, whatever, man. I think that the dollar's status as the world's primary reserve currency should be enhanced with a digital component and done in a way that doesn't have a disintermediate, doesn't have to disintermediate the traditional banking system, but can be done so traditional financial intermediaries can play a role in the digital component of the dollar. Absolutely. I know. A lot of you guys, yeah, fuck the dollar, fuck fiat. Why? Do you ever ask you why? Why are you saying that? Because some website told you to feel that way? Hey, your mother and dad raised you on the dollar. Worked, didn't it? Shut the fuck up. Look, Giancarlo admitted that he does not see the Federal Reserve becoming a deposit-taking institution. But when banks would continue to do that, where banks would continue to do that, but would use a uniform set of technology protocols in order to provide access to a digital dollar format. Bang! Tokenizing the dollar. So what? Your money is already digital. We don't literally have this amount of, America, we have trillions and trillions of dollars. Yeah, it's not literally sitting in cash. The American, this is how much money we have. How much is in cash is like this. Yeah, the rest of it is all digital. How do you think you use your debit card, your credit card, all that? That's all digital already. So I don't really think this is a big deal. As Cointelegraph reported on September 29th, cryptocurrency derivatives firm LedgerX alleges that Giancarlo, when he was the CFTC chairman, obstructed the approval, that bullshit, of their derivatives clearing organization registration because of personal bias against companies. All right, fuck all that. Look, 2019 may be the year of regulatory response. It is. And it's not because of, they finally got around to doing their jobs. It's because of Mark Zuckerberg. I know, man. I'm not a fan of the fuck stick, but look, he did it. He did it. When he came out with that Libra coin, when he announced that he was coming out with the Libra coin, that made all the regulators and politicians around the world get on this. Get on this crypto now. When it was just Garlinghouse and a bunch of green-haired kids with nose rings, they didn't care about that. Yeah, when Mark Zuckerberg came to town, look. Yeah, they're getting real about it now, and so that's great news. Great news for us. I mean, and that's what's necessary, just the regulations. And we'll see where it goes from there. So, look, bang, CFTC chairman saying that. Good. All right, let's get to our bang shout-outs. Look, who we got? Morrison Wilson. What are you talking about? Real estate designer. Hui's collection. Arsenal fan. Oh, okay. Tokenomics enthusiast. Bang. All right. Bang, brother. Look. Bang. All right. Coins Capture. What are you talking about? Founded in 2018, CoinCapture.com, the best real-time, high-quality cryptocurrency market data provider by listing 2,000 cryptocurrencies globally. Bang. See you, brother. Look. Big airdrop. Burks, bang, bang. Bang. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bang. Sweetie. Yes. See you, girl. Love you, girl. Bang. Oh, what did she say? Blockchain can, because she always had this, blockchain can save a life. But now she says, Pull Me In by Kyla Oliver. Oh, she has a new song or something, maybe? All right, well, post it here, girl. I'll play that. Bye. Look, sweetie. Yeah. Love you, girl. Bam, what's he talking about? Hold on, first of all, though. Bam, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Yes. What's he talking about? CB News, NASDAQ listed all the AI-powered crypto index for 100 coins. So, yep. Shit's getting real. What else can you say about it? Shit's getting real, right? Bye. I don't have much to say about that. What else is there to say? And then DP did it too. DP, love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Yes. Thank you for those comics. Yeah. Soul Squad. Look. I'm a member. Hey, you know what I'm talking about. Look, from a long time ago. Dino, love you, brother, see you, brother. Bye. Free, or what? Riplet John, know me much first, then let's go and see. All right. Bye. Son of a bitch. Look at this son of a bitch right here. Look. Bye. Look. Bye. Look. Bye. Yes. Love you, Ron Gaz. Yes, that's the guy who sent that shirt the other day. That motherfucker got me. He got me. He fucking got me. Now I gotta fucking think of a way to get him. I should rent a plane in his city. I gotta find out where he lives or something. And I can rent a plane and have like a son of a bitch bag on the back. Like here in South Beach, we have planes. They fly along the beach advertising stuff, right? And then the people on the beach, you know, you see the plane and then you read the banner. It's like a big banner. That's what I should do. I should rent a plane and be like, look, and get him, right? Son of a bitch, wrong guys, bang. I got to figure out a way. He got me with that one. This motherfucker. Yes. Good one, brother. That was a good one. Look. All right, let's move on. Native warrior. Pascua Yakui tribe. Bang. I know the Pascua Yakuis are hanging with me here. Bang. And they love their V-chain. Bang. Pascua Yakui. Bang, brothers. Bang. Yes. Moon landing. 420. Bang. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Hold on. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Gotta touch it with the mouse. Look. Jock's Coin. Well, what's he talking about? Jock's Coin project is a work in progress on the Ether Zero platform. Easy ETZ or Get ET or Go ETZ platform in wallet supported. Contract, blah, 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 blah. Look. Bye. Yes. All right. Oh, yeah, the fuel's kicking in. Nice. The markets are so slow right now. That's why I slept in as well, because there's nothing going on. If I could show you the trend scans, you'd see. Oh, Viber, what? Beats Coin. Oh, they liked something I was going to. Nice. Viber and Beats Coin, BTC token are the founding, all right, or at the forefront of a breakthrough P2P economy for artists and content creators. Bang! And I told you guys about that. Vibervid. If you go to Vibervid, go to crypto blockchain news. Bang! Well, there I am, fuckstick. There I am. Yeah. All you guys were telling me to do it. Well, so I did it. There you go, guys. But they only allow me to upload 1,000 megabytes. Yeah, so we'll see. Look, this channel is based on YouTube and Twitter. YouTube to tell the people, Twitter to interact with them, and the comments in the YouTube to interact. That's it. Like, this is not a job. I'm not here to make money. I'm not here to be some YouTube influencer. I make money, dog. I have money. I don't need YouTube's pocket change. I don't need Vibervid's pocket change. You guys keep begging me, Shomari, go on Brave. I'd pay you to, in these, I don't want your money, okay? I want you to make money. So I did the fucking Vibervid. If you're so desperate to go and give me your money, go ahead and go there and give it to me, but don't do that. But I'm going there, Well, I mean, I'm there now, so I have a thing, and so we'll see. All right. But I'd rather you just spend your money on some VeChain. Robbie Hardway, bye. And there's Poppy Wood. He's the Tron Master. Tron Master. Poppy Wood, Tron Master. Bye. Yes. All right. Bye. Look. Bye. Look. Bang. Look. All right. Let's get back. Let's get her done. Let's wrap her up and get her done. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Look. So first of all, the SEC starts the clock on the ETF proposal. So, Wilshire, fuck, man. I really wanted to show you guys. Fuck. Hold on, man. I'm going to even look one more time. Shit. Hold on. Just 1 second, guys. Because this is pissing me off. I have an article for you. All right. Fuck it. I have an article for you guys. All right, so the Wilshire starts the clock on the ETF, right? Or the SEC starts calling you. So Wilshire is going to take their price discovery from the Shomari, come on, man. The CME. Come on, Shomari, use your fucking brain, buddy. The CME futures contracts. Oh my goodness. They're gonna take price discovery for the CME futures contracts, and so they resubmitted some stuff with the SEC today, telling them, look, fuck those exchanges. We're gonna get it from here. I have an article, man. I wanted to show you and prove it to you, but just believe me, guys. You know I don't lie to you guys. You know I don't bullshit you guys. I'm not here to blow sunshine up your ass, and so. They're going to get their price discovery from the CME futures, and let's see if the fucking SEC allows it. All right. Then Grayscale Q3 record inflows. Bang, that's good news. It's great news. More money coming in the market, nice and slow, well, not nice and slow, fast and. It would be nice and fast. It would be nicer. But anyways, man, money's coming in. Liquidity's coming in. The place is getting professionalized. You know, things take time. And that's all we can do. But bang, Grayscale, thank you. And then this guy, Giancarlo, he was the ex-CFTC chairman, and he says that he sees regulatory clarity coming in 2019. Whatever, man. We'll see when it comes. It'll come when it comes. But the fact that he was the chairman, he knows the pressures. He knows he knows he's getting harassed by the politicians on one side. We need regulation. And then he's getting harassed by citizens. Regulate. So he knows the true nature of the CFTC. He just knows the nature. He knows the nature of where America is at. America needs regulation. America wants regulation. And he's heard it. He's left now, but he knows that it's coming. And so that's good for us. So, look, let's chill and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Look, subscribe below, press the bell. You get automatic notifications when I do the show. The greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Look, my name is Shomari Clarke. Love talking money, love talking crypto. This is the favorite time of my day. So look, until tomorrow, thank you for having me in your home. Bye. And I will see you tomorrow. My name is Shomari Clarke. Look, and I'm always on duty. Yeah. Over and out.